Good morning, students. Today our class is English and we will complete workbook Unit 2, The Kite, page number 29, question number 2, short answer type questions. Answer the following questions in 2 or to 3 sentences each. Question number 1. Describe the flight of a kite as described in the poem. Answer is, according to the poet, the new kite looks bright when it flies in the blue sky. As it begins its journey and takes a dive and dips, its tail makes a snapping sound. It then soars into the sky with single string attached to it. Question number 2. What happens to the kite when wind falls? When wind falls, a kite comes down. It cannot stay on in the air. As it comes down, the string gets slack and we have to wind it back. This goes until a new wind blows. Question number 3. Describe a kite's journey and its fate. According to the poet, the new kite looks bright when it flies in the blue sky. As it begins its journey and takes a dip and dives, its tail makes a snapping sound. It then soars in the sky with single string attached to it. More or less, question number 1 and question number 3 are almost same. Now we will go for page number 30, reading comprehension. Read the following stanzas carefully and answer the questions given below them. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, with a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of winds it rides, climb to the crest of the gust and pools, then seems to rest as wind falls. Question number 1. How does a new kite fly? A new kite flies by moving up and down with a sharp sound. Question number 2. What is the kite compared to? The kite is compared to a ship, as the kite too moves on a single sail. Question number 3. What end of the kite is mentioned in this stanza? When the wind is strong, the kite climbs over the wind, or inside the bracket crest. Now question number 2. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows, and these wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a raggeder things you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Questions. When do we wind up string? When the string goes slack, we wind up string. What is the meaning of the phrase on the blue? The meaning of the phrase on the blue means in the sky. What ragged according to the poet? According to the poet, ragged means torn or tattered and unattractive in appearance. So this chapter is over. I hope you can understand this chapter. Read two times the poem, and next class we will go for unit number 3, Trao's Reward, by a Japanese story retold. Okay? Thank you very much.